Hi, this is Rob with Smith Chevy, and I am showing you our 2015 GMC Terrain SLE2. It's a one owner, clean Carfax, great condition inside and out. Front fog lamps, 3.6 liter V6 engine, good tread on the tires, 17-inch wheels. Power windows, power locks. It's got your heated seats, dark cloth interior, climate controls, touchscreen radio, CD player. Nice spacious back seat, room for a lot of your guests. It's got the backup camera, manual liftgate, does have remote keyless entry, remote start through the driver's side, steering wheel controls for Bluetooth. And this is Rob, and this is our 2015 GMC Terrain SLE2.